Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is a part 2 of Tito Machana and Pac-Man 1416. So, regarding of my announcement for those people, uh, you need to, what I mean, if one make a join for my music career or as an entertainment or entertainer, uh, if you're good or expert in computer, it might be a request to help me how to find a performer or what I might be is like Kenny Ortega as producer, manager of Michael Jackson, ladies and gentlemen. Help me to find. And might be sure if you see me in Naples, I have a lot of fan. You never forget me or you never miss my music entertainment. So this is my sharing for my based on my experience since 2000 December 5. That's the day of my first from the Philippines to San Diego, ladies and gentlemen. And the first day, of course, we need to take my wife, and the second day, a couple of days, few days or 3 days or 1 day or 2 days. I don't know, but I was going for my wife friend, and I sing. If you know the Filipino songs like the Basil Valdez songs, that's what I'm at first I sing. Basil Valdez is my uncle, my dad and Basil Valdez is first cousin, but he don't know me, man, he's that man. So that's my, I share my history about it. And then later, I study a lot of songs like Michael and Sturak and Eagles, whatever, step by step, Air Supply, what do you call it? Slow rock selection, Hotel California, Bon Jovi, whatever, Guns N' Roses. And of course, never forget Engelbert and Tom Jones, Andy Williams. That's my start. So let's go back to my genes from my grandpa. He's a musician and my auntie too. Up to now, she's a soloist singing in the church always in place of in parts of Pampanga, Florida, Blanca, Pampanga, from PI. So be here for my music career. I was a start for joining events in 2010. And but I always singing. I have a friend. They tell about the Seafood City to join. Even me, I always cheating. That's doesn't matter. That's for me. It's not a big deal. And then I joining twice in Cebu City. If you remember, of course, you never forget Jessica Sanchez. That's not my batch, but they join always in Cebu City. On the time Jessica Sanchez, there's no name. So in the half of the, of course, I think the mom is very fanatic Catholic and pray, and of course the career, music career is successful. Thanks God. And God bless you, Jessica Sanchez. Jessica Sanchez, the mom is came from Bataan, from PI, that's the Bataan province, the same province where I born, ladies and gentlemen, this is Tommy Boy. I was born in Dinalupian, Bataan. So let's go back to my, and the second one, I joined to the Titas when the Titas is opening as a owner as Manila Tokyo, right? Did you remember that? And I don't want. I was joining in November. This the final. I was always in the finalists when we joined music in karaoke, and then later, and then said the judge, or what I mean the manager. I don't know who's the setup of that kind of a music. She's like amateur. Amateur. My God, the first thought is karaoke, and then later they change, so they cheating again. That's doesn't matter. I don't care. And then later I join again JPS International Karaoke again, huh? So I'm in the finalist again. So sorry about that. That's doesn't matter. I was meant this share. If you always lose and lose, you don't get to look at my sample music in YouTube. I have a lot of song. I think Tito Mo channel is more than 500 songs. In Pacman, I think is 280. Maybe Tito Mo channel is 224, 28. But in Pacman is 280. So how much my capacity is more than 2,000 songs. If I memorize in for my songs is 2,000, oh my God. How can I memorize that all that song? I'm very greedy, just kidding. But actually, my skill is karaoke, not to memorize. Alright? If you remember now, ladies and gentlemen, gonna change another topic. We have international karaoke now in America, right? So if you're champion in America, the the finalist champ is in Finland. If you search it, I don't know, it's Channel 10 or Channel 10 ABC. Just search. So hopefully you have an idea. Oh, I like to join, of course, but you need the money. I don't know if I'm planning to join next year if I have some money. I think for registration is $400. If those people If those people who like to join, I might be planning of 2013 applying if I have. I don't know, but if I have some chance, I try. So anyway, uh, go back to music technique again. So my music technique, I forgot to talk to any one of you. First of all, don't drink cold water. That's the problem. And give a little bit massage always when you are tired, right? So, and then you drink hot, hot water, not too much hot, or maybe a tea or ginger tea, all right? So after that, you always throw away your plan on you if you are studying a voice lesson. And the secret, it came from your thumb, okay? Right now, I have my son have a classmate at the age of 8 years old. He like he like to learning in voice lesson. I give a tip, and then when you sing, in other words, can I speak Tagalog right now? I know a lot of Filipino, they watch me. Thank you for support. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. So kapag ikaw ay umawit at bigyan mo siya ng konting pondo, kunin mo sa tiyan, gets in your tongue, don't too much give it a high, give a little bit space. When you block your voice, goes up, block na yung voice mo, so maglilig ka, ang sasabihin mo, something like that. So you need to kunin mo muna yung, let's say what I mean, you just listen to the music of your tone, where the singer, where we stop, and improvise your own talent. Don't stop, though, maybe like, don't stop believing us. What I mean is just only stop a little bit and then get it and deep. That's the secret of my music career. Ako po hindi maramo. I'm not a selfish man, but I'm trying to help you those people interested to sing. Don't too much sing and goes up too much high. You need to give a little bit distance and don't sing with your voice only in your neck, only controlling your voice, right? So when you sing, deep breath always, deep breath. Ah, ah, like there's something like my favorite is faithfully. You know what? That's my favorite. Mr. Perry is my favorite singer. Of course, the pride of the Filipino, Mr. Ryan Pineda. Congratulations. And then this coming up for those entertainment right now, especially Manny Pacquiao. God bless you. God bless you. And winning your battle now. And one of all those people, I congratulate, Cherish, whatever, Jessica, lahat ng mga Pilipino na hindi ko na po natandaan mga pangalan. Palahin po kayo ng mahal na Panginoon. Sana kayo ay palarin at makamtan po ninyo ang inyong mga pangarap na kamukha namin mag-ama. At ako po, as a private na Pilipino, tulungan niyo po kami mag-ama. Sa dasal lang po at saka lang po yung computer. O kung meron po kayong magagaling kayo sa computer, willing naman po akong makipag-communicate sa inyo. Kung kayo ay tutulungan mo kami sa computer para bantayan po ninyo yung view namin. Kung meron po kayong maitulong, kung magaling kayo mag-computer, hanapan po nyo kami ng mga setup na music o matugtugan namin, o makantahan namin. Kayo po ay willing na sumali sa aming mga pangarap sa buhay. You are the parts of, ito po para sa lahat, parte na po ng buhay natin. So, as a manager, kung ikaw ang may endorsement ka, na-endorse mo kami sa LA, sa Las Vegas, whatever, anywhere apart from the world, especially sa Pilipinas. Basta ang specialty ko po, my specialty, I repeat, karaoke, karaoke. Nakakapag-imitate po ako ng iba-ibang boses at saka pinagpapracticean natin yan. And sa ulit, remember, rap song, hindi ko po kaya yan. Pero later on, kasi masyadong mabilis. If I have a lot of money on my pocket, I'm willing to go to school again to continue my ESL, English Second Language. Of course, you need to improvise my English the way you have to, to say the words. But don't worry, marami po ako mga trick boys. I have a lot of trick boys style, my own style. Sabi nga po ng isang Pinoy na nakilala ko mga tiga LA, saan ang gagaling yung mga style mo? It came from Jesus. Before kasi bago ako nagpe-perform, I'm willing lagi ako magdadasal. And of course, go back to my events. This is my 6 times events na po pala ako. Finalist of JPS International, tinawagan po uli ako. That's my 6 times. At nagkanta na rin po ako sa Pama Casino. Nag-guest po ako sa 98.1 under by Lenny B. Ladies and gentlemen, I sing po as Van Halen, Jump, and Air Supply, of course, faithfully, never miss, never forget. I love you all, guys. This is my second part. Hopefully, I need your help. Help my music viewers for Tito Mo channel and Pacman 4016. Please support me all the Filipino. I love you all, guys, and all around the world. Wala pong racist. There is no racist. Black or white, Mexican, Asian, whatever, Russian or Euro. I love you all, guys around the world. This is Tito Mo channel at your service. Those people interesting me, invite me. Don't shy, okay? Just put your number at the comments or whatever. You just give me your email and I will return to answer your email. Just give it a setup. I love you all, guys. This is Tommy Boy again at your service. Hopefully, they can hold those people interesting to offer my music entertainment or entertain. I'm willing to parts of your party if you need me. Because I have a lot of experience. My kid, they dance in Mexico, Channel 12 before, Las Vegas, anywhere. I'm willing to join or as a part of your party. This is Tommy Boy and at Tito Mo channel, Pacman 4016, MJ Rocks. If the half of the name of my kid, ladies and gentlemen, I'm willing to go. I love you all and God bless you all. Bye. See you on the air. This is Tommy Boy at your service. I repeat, God bless you all. Those people who don't like me, I love you all, guys, and God bless you all.